How to fix app drawer not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back. So you'll get to see if I try to swipe up, you'll get to see it's not showing the app drawer or the app library where you can find out all your apps. If you're experiencing the same problem, then here's how you can fix and get back the app drawer on Samsung Galaxy phone. Also, now to fix the problem and get back the app drawer, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold any empty area from your home screen, and this will pop up with the different options, and then go and tap on the settings option at the bottom right. Now once you're here inside the settings, the first option will comes up, the home screen layout. You just need to tap on these and you'll get to see it's currently selected with the home screen only. That's why you are not getting the app library or app drawer. So now to get it back, all you have to just need to select a home and app screen. You just need to select that. I'll get to see this is going to show you the home screen and the app library as well, and then go ahead and tap on apply, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. From now you'll get to see the app library is available. Now if I swipe up, you'll get to see the app library has been showing up right here, and this is how you can fix the app library or the app drawer not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.